Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this month's mystery subscription box. The theme is Caribbean Dream. So before I get into this unboxing, be sure to subscribe if you're not already and hit that bell to turn on notifications so you never miss any of our uploads. And our subscription box is actually on sale today through the end of this weekend. So if you're interested in grabbing it for a one-time purchase, it's usually $24 for subscribers, which is a really good deal. That's over 50% off. Or you can get it as a one-time purchase of $27 this weekend. It's usually $30 as a one-time purchase. So you are saving 10%, but again, it's an even better deal if you subscribe. So I'll have a link in the description if you're interested in checking out this box. Typically our sub box ships out by the end of the month, but lately we've been super on top of our inventory and have been shipping out as soon as they renew. So we actually shipped these out earlier this week. The art we've been using in our sub box is exclusive to our shop. We've been using exclusive art for quite a while now. So if you are a fan of this art, definitely subscribe and get a good deal on it. And then last thing I wanted to mention is that the sticker paper in our sub box that we use, it's like a vinyl material. So we recommend using the Sakura microperm pen, which I have right here. We also have it available in our shop, but this is the only pen we've found that has worked best with the sticker paper. So keep that in mind. And then for our foiled stickers, we use a transparent clear matte sticker paper. So that's what we use for our foil. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So let's start first with all of the foils. So our sub box comes with 6 foil sheets and they're always curated to match with the theme of the box. So first up we have Tropical Drink. These are so adorable. We have little coconuts, there's a pineapple, even a watermelon. These are super cute. They even have little like umbrellas in the drink. So cute and fun, and it makes me really want a summer cocktail. Next up we have these hibiscus date dots, and I want to mention that the foil color we used this time in the sub box is like a chunky gold glitter. Here's the next design. You can kind of see the foil a little bit better here. This one is hibiscus deco, and we've never been able to do a fun foil for a sub box in the past, simply because we were always limited to what our washi foil was. So whatever options we had for our washi, that's pretty much what we had to use for the stickers in the kit. So if you watched last month's unboxing, you'll know that last month was the last month we're doing washi in our subscription box. Also, this one is the Great Wave foil. So this month, moving forward, we're not going to be including washi tapes in our subscription box anymore. It was kind of a hard decision whether we wanted to, you know, move with inflation and increase the price of our subscription box, which is something we really didn't want to have to do. This one is Hibiscus Garland, would also work really cute as some date toppers. And then here's the last sheet, Seashell Deco. So we didn't want to raise the price of our subscription box, so instead we decided to take out some items. So we did a survey at the end of last year, and it seemed like washi was kind of like a 50-50 on what people liked in our sub box. So we decided to take out washi and, you know, just do stickers only, which I think everyone is going to be, you know, happy with that decision, since I don't think anyone likes having to pay more. So that's the route we decided to go with. So now we don't have washi in our sub box, and that's why we can do more fun foils for our stickers. So this month we picked gold glitter, and it's like a chunky glitter. And then next month, I'm really excited, we also did a fun foil for next month. I'm really excited for the theme for that one. Next, your sub box is going to come with 2 deco sheets. So we have a floral deco sheet, which this one's super pretty and colorful. Lots of hibiscus florals. And then here's the clip art deco sheet. So it matches really well with the full boxes. And then we still have our journaling card. It's blank on the back, so you can write a little message. And then here's just the front of it. Really, really pretty. I love all the watercolors in this month's art. And then we have our 2-paged journaling kit. And this one is the same sticker paper as our weekly kit. So it's that vinyl material. So here's just a closer look of the journaling kit. And then here is the second sheet. There's also clip art on here as well. And then lastly, we have our 4-page foil weekly kit. This is in that gold chunky glitter foil, same as the little foil sheets. So here's just a close-up of the full boxes. This is definitely perfect for the summertime. Here's the washi page. So we have some little torn pieces here. We have our scalloped headers, 2 sets of regular headers, and then we have our bottom washi stickers. Here's the boxes page. Pretty self-explanatory, lots and lots of different sized boxes. And then we also have some scalloped half boxes down here. And then lastly, we have the essentials page. So this just has, your checklist, sidebar stickers. We have our days of the week date covers. And then we have these cute little foiled scalloped circles. And then up here we have little sticky note looking stickers, as well as some little washi strips. So that is Caribbean Dream. So that is everything for this month's subscription box. Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget, it's currently on sale. If you wanted to just get it as a one-time purchase, it's $27, or if you want to subscribe, it's $24. Highly recommend subscribing because the next few months we already have that already in stock, and it is super cute, so I'm excited about those upcoming months. Signups are open until July 31st, and then any remaining items are going to be listed in our shop as full price after the month is over. I'm going to be doing a plan with me this upcoming Monday using all of these stickers, so be sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to turn on notifications because that video is coming. And I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next. Bye!